Fantastic news. You have RStudio Package Manager now. You're working in your IDE, and you want to make sure you're installing packages from your new RStudio Package Manager server. Flip over to your RStudio Package Manager server. You'll probably land on the top repo that your administrator has already set up for you. In this case, the repo is called All. You'll probably be on the Packages tab at the top. Let's move over a couple to the Setup tab. Now that you're on the Setup tab, scroll down below the calendar. Click on the Change link in the center. Select the operating system that your Workbench product is running on. In my case, it's Ubuntu 20.04. I will select that and click OK. I will also select the binary button here. One of the biggest advantages of the RStudio Package Manager product is that it gives you access to pre-compiled binary versions of the packages that were compiled for your operating system. That gives you this URL here for this repo, for your selected operating system, and for the binary versions of the packages. I can use the copy button here on the right to copy that URL to my clipboard. Head back over to RStudio Workbench. Now let's set up this repo. Go to Tools at the top, down to Global Options. Select Packages in the left sidebar. In the center, select Change. I'm going to paste in the URL from Package Manager. Select OK. Select OK again. And that's it. Now Workbench will install packages from this repo that my administrator set up for me in RStudio Package Manager. Congratulations.